When Mughal came to India, they admired the work of Indian artists and fascinated by Indian painting. This resulted in creation of new style by the combination of Indian and Persian style, which is known as Mughal style of art. Manuscripts painting, portrait, and miniature painting were done in lots and highly liked by everyone. In coming slides, we will see the salient features of Mughal art. Most of the portraits are ekchas. The figures are depicted in profile, showing single eyes or quarter profile, dead chasm, that is one full eyes and half. The whole painting color scheme is bright and gaudy. Minerals and natural colors with use of silver and golden colors. There is an abundance of portrait painting in the Mughal school. Portrait of saints have also been painted along with emperors. Maximum portrait painting were done during Shah Jahan period. The noble ladies, drawn mostly from imagination. Highly decorative borders drawn in maximum painting. We will easily recognize Mughal miniatures through their borders. The depiction of nature as a special study. Tree, plants, river and mountains etc. have been beautifully depicted in Mughal painting. If there are three types of tree in a painting, their leaves have been painted differently with accuracy. Thick and thin rhythmic line were used in Mughal painting. Minute details are shown with fine lines that single hairbrush used to justice the line. Animal and bird painting is also one of the main character of Mughal art. Ustad Mansoor was the best bird painter. He painted different birds quite lively. Falcon on a bird rest is matchless painting. Elephant fight, camel fight also been painted beautifully. Lion, tigers, horses and goats etc. have been depicted marvelously. Book illustration manuscripts are the prime subject of Mughal miniature, where artists use calligraphy work with black ink and gold. Even artist names have been written in the painting beautifully. The calligraphic inscription is done in Persian Nastaliq script Arabic. There was also depiction of Indian epic, love stories and mythological scenes such as the Ramayana, Mahabharat, Nal Damayanti, and Panchtantra, etc. The depiction of foreign stories were especially based on Islamic, Arabian, and Persian episode, and this is proof of the greatness of the Mughal art.